Have you ever wondered why some people seem to unlock wealth effortlessly while others are stuck running in circles? Here's the brutal truth. The rules of money have changed, and most people are still playing an outdated game. But not you, not today. Because today, we're diving into the explosive world of cryptocurrency, where a mere $1,000 can transform into a life-changing fortune. It's happening every day, to those who know where to look and what moves to make. Now let me guess, you've heard the buzz about crypto, but maybe you're skeptical. Or maybe you've dipped your toes in and felt overwhelmed by the jargon, the risks, and the endless expert opinions. Trust me, you're not alone. The truth is, while everyone talks about crypto, few actually understand how to leverage it for true financial freedom. That's where this guide comes in. No fluff, no confusion. Just a clear, step-by-step roadmap to turn your small investment into massive gains. Let's cut straight to the chase. Imagine being one of the first investors in Amazon or Apple. Crypto gives you that same chance today. Let me show you exactly why this emerging market is the opportunity of a lifetime. Imagine stumbling onto a treasure map before anyone else even knew it existed. That's where crypto is right now. Like discovering Amazon in the 90s or Apple before the iPhone boom. With blockchain tech still in its early days, cryptocurrency offers a once-in-a-lifetime chance to ride the wave before it crests. But here's the kicker. It's not just about luck. It's about recognizing the signs and moving while others are still hesitating. The question isn't whether crypto will dominate. It's who will benefit the most. Think about this. When was the last time an opportunity this big knocked on your door? Early stock market giants created millionaires, and crypto is no different. It's already reshaping how people view money, assets, and even governments. Bitcoin alone has gone from being dismissed as magic internet money to a multi-trillion-dollar asset class contender. But here's the secret sauce. It's still early. Savvy investors are grabbing their slice now while the masses catch up later. And that's where you come in. So now you see the potential, but here's the thing, you can't tap into this wealth without understanding the basics. Let's break down crypto in a way that even your grandma could understand. No tech jargon, just the facts you need. At its core, cryptocurrency isn't as complicated as people make it out to be. It's just money, but smarter. Imagine a system where transactions are transparent, secure, and lightning fast, without banks acting like middlemen. That's crypto for you. It's powered by blockchain, a fancy way of saying, everything's recorded and verified so nobody can cheat the system. Think of it as a digital ledger, but instead of dusty old books, it's a network of computers ensuring everything checks out. When you send Bitcoin to a friend, it's like handing them cash, but digitally. No delays, no prying eyes, and no hidden fees. And because of blockchain, there's no oops, we lost your money nonsense. For beginners, understanding this is step one. Crypto isn't just tech for nerds, it's a revolution for anyone tired of outdated, overcomplicated financial systems. And trust me, this is only the tip of the iceberg. Alright, now that we've laid the groundwork, it's time to see how crypto is changing the world. From Bitcoin to DeFi, let's explore the real-world applications that are flipping the financial system on its head. Crypto is like a Swiss Army knife for money. It does way more than just sit in your wallet. First up, you've got Bitcoin, the digital equivalent of gold. It's designed to store value, fend off inflation, and hold its own as a long-term asset. Then there's decentralized finance, or DeFi, which flips traditional banking on its head. Imagine earning high yields on your money without groveling to a bank or dealing with their red tape. And let's not forget stablecoins. They're the bridge between crypto and fiat, letting you dip your toes in without worrying about volatility. Think of Bitcoin as your vault, DeFi as your financial playground, and stablecoins as your safety net. Together, they make crypto more versatile than any currency we've seen before. Want to save, invest, or even borrow? Crypto's got you covered. Platforms like Uniswap and Aave are creating systems where you're in control, not some banker behind a desk. The possibilities aren't just exciting, they're endless, and the best part? It's still early days, so you're not too late to the party. Exciting stuff, right? But here's where it gets even better. Let's talk about how you can turn those real-world applications into real-world profits. Trust me, you don't want to miss this part. Let's talk about Bitcoin, the OG of crypto, and a potential wealth machine. Some call it digital gold, but here's the twist. It could actually surpass gold's market cap. Gold's been the go-to for preserving wealth for centuries, but Bitcoin does it better. Portable, divisible, and immune to rust or shady vaults. Picture this. As institutional investors and nations start piling into Bitcoin, its value skyrockets. The smart money isn't waiting around. They're stacking Bitcoin now like it's going out of style. But it's not just Bitcoin. The entire crypto market is teeming with hidden gems, altcoins, DeFi tokens, and NFTs that could turn modest investments into life-changing gains. Want a shot at the next 100x? It's about researching projects with solid fundamentals and long-term potential. Platforms like Ethereum and Solana are building the backbone of Web3, which means they're here to stay. The real challenge? Picking winners and positioning yourself before the crowd catches on. Now that you know where the money is, let's make sure you've got the right tools to spot the opportunities and avoid the pitfalls. Because in crypto, having the right setup can be the difference between winning big and losing it all. Navigating the crypto market without the right tools is like trying to find buried treasure with a spoon. Possible, but painfully inefficient. That's where platforms like CoinMarketCap come in, giving you an overview of every coin, its market cap, and trading volume at a glance. Need to track the latest DeFi trends? DeFi Llama lays out which protocols are raking in cash and which are losing steam. And when it comes to analyzing charts and spotting opportunities, TradingView is the holy grail for serious traders. Think of these tools as your crypto GPS. They guide you through the chaos and help you find the gems before they shine. For example, CoinMarketCap portfolios let you track your holdings in real time, while TradingView's customizable alerts ensure you never miss a pump. Whether you're a day trader or a hodler, using these tools is non-negotiable if you want to stay ahead of the game. The market moves fast, and these tools make sure you're always one step ahead. But let's not forget one critical piece of the puzzle: managing your investments. After all, even the best tools are useless if you're not organized. Let me show you how to stay on top of your game. Managing your crypto portfolio isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about strategy. A well-organized portfolio is your roadmap to financial freedom. Platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko let you monitor your assets, see your gains or losses, and adjust as needed. Think of it as having your personal accountant, minus the awkward meetings. If you're serious about scaling your investments, tools like these are non-negotiable. But portfolio management isn't just for whales. Even if you're starting with $100, tracking your progress helps you spot trends and avoid costly mistakes. Diversification is key. Spread your assets across Bitcoin, DeFi tokens, and stablecoins for a balanced mix of risk and reward. By staying organized and keeping tabs on your holdings, you're not just reacting to the market, you're controlling your financial destiny. With your portfolio set, the next big question is, how do you keep your crypto safe? This part is non-negotiable, and if you're not careful, all your hard work could go up in smoke. Here's how to lock it all down. Owning crypto is one thing, keeping it safe is another. You wouldn't stash cash under your mattress, so why leave your digital assets exposed? For quick access and decentralized trading, MetaMask is the go-to wallet. It's like your everyday spending account, perfect for connecting to DeFi platforms and interacting with dApps. But for serious security, nothing beats a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. It's a physical device that keeps your keys offline, safe from hackers and prying eyes. Think of MetaMask as your convenient day-to-day wallet and Ledger as your high-security vault. Want to sleep easy knowing your investments are protected? Split your holdings. Keep a portion in MetaMask for easy trades and the rest in Ledger for long-term storage. And here's a pro tip. Never share your seed phrase, no matter how official the request sounds. Remember, in crypto, security isn't optional, it's your responsibility. Alright, so you've just unlocked the secrets to turning a modest $1,000 into a potential crypto empire. But let me ask you this. Are you just going to sit on this knowledge or are you ready to act? Remember, wealth doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who take calculated risks, make smart moves, and commit to their future. So what's your next step? If you're serious about diving deeper and maximizing your gains, you need the ultimate cheat sheet. My ebook is packed with everything you need. Insider strategies, top-notch security tips, my perfect DeFi portfolio, and tools to make your crypto journey bulletproof. This is the edge that sets winners apart from the crowd. The link is fixed in the first comment, waiting for you. And hey, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications. Why? Because you deserve more content that cuts through the noise and helps you crush your goals.